Alright, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a homemade fishing spear. So, how you're going to make it is you're going to take a stick about 3 feet in length, take a rope 2.5 feet in length, take these little sharpened sticks 2.5 inches, and then you're going to take the rope, make a clove hitch. A clove hitch is where you make an X. Make an X and stick this one through that one that you just wrapped it around, and then use the other side to tighten it. One second, I kind of did too low. Alright, now you're going to take your 2 sticks, 2 little ones, and put them in a clump like this. Oh goodness, it's so cold! And then you're going to take the rope and wrap it around the sticks. You're going to do that 4 times. Make sure it's super tight when you're wrapping it. Don't make it too high, so too tight. And then put that rope through there, like down through there. Put it down again, and then you're gonna make another clove hitch on the stick. Oh man, I don't think I have enough room. So maybe only do 1 wrap down and up, but yeah. And then tighten your second clove hitch. And you should have a fishing spear. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the fishing spear and I'm going to test it on a few different items. First, I'm going to test it on the bush. Didn't bend. Second, I'm going to test it in the dirt of this little bucket. Didn't bend. Second, I'm going to test it in the grass, the snow-covered, freezing, wet grass. It didn't bend. That turned out way better than I thought it would.